In this video, you'll learn how to change your Google Drive password by updating your Google account password. Since Google Drive is tied directly to your main Google account, there isn't a separate password just for Drive. So when you change this, it affects everything connected to that account like Gmail, Photos, and other Google services. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along, even if you're not very tech savvy. First, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar at the top, type in Google account and press enter, or go directly to your Google account page if you already know the link. Make sure you're signed into the Google account whose password you want to change. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check that you're working with the correct one so you don't accidentally change the wrong password. Once you're on your Google account page, look for the section where you can manage your security settings. The layout can sometimes change slightly, but you're usually looking for an option related to security or password. Find and click on Google Password. When you choose this option, Google may ask you to sign in again or confirm your identity. This is normal and is there to protect your account. If prompted, enter your current password to continue. After you pass that security check, you'll land on the page where you can create a new password. Take a moment here to think of a strong password that you haven't used before. A good password is typically longer and mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to avoid simple words, personal information, or anything someone could guess easily. Remember, this one password protects all of your Google services, including Drive, so it's worth making it strong. In the first field, type your new password carefully. Make sure you remember what you're entering or have a secure way to store it, like a reputable password manager. If your browser offers to generate or save a password for you, that can be helpful, but only do that on a device you trust. Next, in the second field, confirm the new password by typing it again exactly the same way. This step is important because it helps catch typos. If the two entries don't match, Google will let you know and you'll need to retype them. Once both fields match and you're happy with your new password, look for the button that says Change Password and click it. Google will process the update, and within a moment, your password will be changed. From this point on, you'll use your new password to sign in to Google Drive and all other Google services on any device. On some phones, tablets, or computers, you may be asked to sign in again with the new password. That's completely normal. Just enter your updated password when prompted, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Drive password by updating your Google account password, helping keep your files and data more secure.